Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to create a PowerShell script that will allow you to create random files with random extensions. So let's just jump in. So before we jump into the creating the script, let me demonstrate you how this is gonna work. So in the current directory, I have a script that is script.ps1, and let's execute that and see what we are gonna be getting. As you can see now, the random directory is created, that is a random files, and it has a bunch of files with different extensions, HTML files, JPEG files, and stuff like that. So now let's jump into that directory. And now if I open that in the Explorer, if I can type the name correctly. So now here we have created the random file. So let's just jump in. The first thing we need is to set the extensions of the file. So the way we do that is to create an array and pass the extensions that we want to create. So let's say doc, PDF, and XLS, JPEG, PNG, HTML, CSS, and so on. We can add as many as we want. So now the next thing is the count of the file. So let's say I want to create 100 files, and the next thing is the destination folder. In this case it was random files, the directory, and then we need to check if the directory doesn't exist, then go ahead and create that directory. So now what we will do is we will check if the directory exists or not. So the way we do that is to use the test path and then passing the path that we want to check where this path exists or not. So if the destination files directory does not exist, we will create that using the new object and passing the item type as a directory, and the destination, the path that we want to create a directory in. And the next thing is to loop through the file. So the way we do that is to use for loop, and now this will be looping from 1 up to 100, and each time it is executed we will create a file name,